Hi, I'm Denise Earhart, Economic Development Director for the City of Maricopa, and today I'm visiting with Highway 238 Industrial Park. This is a very interesting concept. Now, we've seen co-working space for office users. This is co-working space for industrial users. Come check it out. Business Beat is brought to you by Ed Q with Copa Mechanic. This is another small business at Highway 238 Industrial Park. Ed, how's it going?
Good, good.
Thank you for having me today.
No problem. Thank you for coming.
Share with me how you landed at Highway 238 Industrial Park.
I was looking for a place, but there are no places to conduct an automotive business. There's not very many commercial places available. Tom put an ad on Craigslist, and I happened by it. I decided, yes, this is what I want to do. It's close to the house, convenient. So I decided to rent from Tom. And that's been a blessing because Tom has been a wonderful, wonderful person. He's helped me. He's gone into town to get parts, and he's helped me. I can't say enough thank yous to Tom.
And he has multiple businesses on here, so it's really creating an environment where it allows you to conduct your business. So tell me a little bit about the space that you have here and your shop.
I've been here since January. I call this my shop in a box.
This is impressive.
It's a container, a shipping container that I've converted into a shop, so to speak. It suits my needs right now. It stores everything I need to store to conduct business here. I've got my laptop, which I can print invoices with, and so yeah, I'm definitely excited to be here. I've been doing this since '86 professionally, and I've got over 30 years experience doing this. I'm ASE certified. I've got an occupational associate's degree in automotive and diesel technology. I like to stay current on the new technologies. So I'm always hitting the books, so that way when your car comes in, I know a little bit about it. Einstein once said, when he was asked, "How do you remember all of this?" I don't.
Yeah.
He simply said, "I know where to look it up."
Share with me what brought you to Maricopa.
I've been in Maricopa since 2009.
Okay.
And it was during a time where everything was slowing down, and so I needed to do something else to supplement my income. So I started doing some mobile mechanic stuff. I go to their house, diagnose their car, tell them what it's going to need, and they go buy the parts. They call me when they have the parts. I go out to the house and put the part on. If I go out to your house and I tell you need a starter, okay? If the starter doesn't fix your car, you shouldn't be held liable for that. I paid for the starter.
Right. Tell me why you think people should shop local.
To help the community, help the city get money to provide facilities that benefit small business or the community itself, whether it's helping, building roads or helping to get funding to a business or what have you. The more you shop local, the more money they have to do those things.
Absolutely. So share with me how people can find Copa Mechanic.
Well, you can come on down to the shop. I'm located just off the 238, 22111 North White Road, Maricopa, Arizona, 85139. Second way to get a hold of me, and I think which is the best way to get a hold of me, is calling me at 480-285-8505. They can find me by simply getting my phone number off of Facebook. I'm running a few ads on some of the sites there.
Ed, thank you so much for establishing your business in Maricopa, and congratulations.
Thank you for coming by. Well, thank you. Thank you.